buy and read a newspaper for getting latest news means 16 pages of a newspaper carry just news. Do you get news on each page? Of course not. In addition to local, regional and international news, all newspapers covers much more than just news. There are several specific features or information provided in different columns. Newspaper can cover a wide variety of fields such as politics, business, sports and art, and often include opinion columns, weather forecast, reviews of local services, obituaries, birth notice, crossword and editorial cartoons, comic strips and advice columns. Based on interest, requirement or schedule, each one of us read individual content. One point you might have noticed that all of these columns are written in different styles, and some of them are appealing that you never miss to read it. Some news columns attract us because it is not only informative but also it is written in an impressive and different style. Hello everyone, I am delighted to be here today to discuss writing different types of news or columns. In this module, I will start with the giving you a glimpse of various type of news, and then I will discuss the important points to be considered while writing each type of news. In the last part of the lecture, I give you some tips for writing impressive news. The word news is comprehensive. Therefore, let's first start by appreciating different type of news in media writing. Let's start with political news. Political news pertains to the activities of the political parties. As we all know, India has a parliamentary democracy. We have many political parties which participate in the election to Lok Sabha and assemblies of different states. The party which gets the majority of seats in the parliament and the state assemblies forms the government. These parties have a large number of supporters and workers. They also hold different programs including meetings, demonstration, etc. Their activities are reported under political news. The second type of news related to commerce and finance. Such news includes happening in trade and commerce, the ups and downs in the share market, commodities, and activities of Reserve Bank of India and other companies come under commerce and finance purview. The third type is sports news. Sports news pertain to writing on different games such as cricket, football, tennis, basketball, etc. For example, India beats England in the third one-day international. Sports news are very popular and people are always eager to know about the results of the important games. The fourth one is crime news. Crime news includes news on the incidents of crimes. Such news is prominently displayed in the newspaper and aired on television. Many newspapers devote a page for incorporating crime news. The fifth one is environmental news. This includes writing on ecological issues such as air quality, pollution, global warming, carbon emission, etc. Like air quality improves in Delhi after odd-even formula. Environmental news these days are one of the most sought after as they impact people's lives. The sixth type is science news. News on scientific researches, invention and discoveries are included in science news. The researches carried out by the scientific institution in different fields form the basis of most science reports. The seventh type is entertainment news. Such type of news includes news about the films, film stars, and the gossips surrounding their lives. People want to know about upcoming and under production films. Film review writing is also part of entertainment news. The eighth type of news is religious and cultural news. Such type of includes reports on religious events, congregation, and ceremonies. India is a deeply religious country. Such events evoke huge public interest. There are many TV channels which are entirely devoted to religious news. Some examples are Astha, Sadhana, etc. Often the TV channels telecast live the programs attended by important religious leaders. For example, Murari Bapu highlights the importance of compassion. Besides, cultural news also evoke tremendous public interest here. A specific cultural reporter in newspapers often covers cultural events like classical dance performances, painting, exhibitions, etc. According to the geographical importance, the next one is local news. Local news pertains mainly to the information about the happening or people in the vicinity. It may concern a function in the college or a school, a social gathering of the local community, members, water logging after rains, overflowing drains, poor roads, weather reports, or even lack of street lights. For example, Delhi may experience heavy rains next week. Such news is important as the readers want to know what is happening in their neighborhoods. The newspaper and TV channels focus on the local news to attract more and more local customers. The 10th type is regional news. As the term suggests, such news concern the region from which the newspapers are published. It may include information in which the people of that particular region are interested. Every region that consists of specific geographical localities has its peculiar features and characteristics. People residing in the region are interested in knowing about the happening in their areas. In India, some newspapers publish pages with regional news. For example, UP budget to focus on arid Bundelkhand region. The next one is national news. As the term itself suggests, such news is concerned with national issues, like Prime Minister calls for building consensus on security issues. Any incidents or events that require the attention of the entire country is national news. News items about national security, essential cabinet decisions, and speeches by the Prime Minister, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, etc. form national news. The next type of news is international news. Such news pertain mainly to the happening around the world, whether it can impact the country or not. Anything important that happens abroad will come under international news purview. Decisions by the United Nations Security Council, International Court of Justice, and the proxy war between arch rivals USA and Russia that may affect international peace and harmony often make headlines in the newspaper and TV channels across the globe. For instance, US threatens China with a tariff hike on imports. According to the nature of the news, the next type is hard news. Hard news includes stories of a timely nature about events of conflict that have just happened or are about to happen, such as crimes, fires, meetings, protest rallies, speeches, etc. It is an account of what has happened, why it happened, and its impact on the people. It generally has has the 5 W's and 1 H. Such news is event based. It has the element of immediacy. Even a slight delay in its dissemination will make it obsolete. A majority of news in the newspaper and TV are hard news. It is often very informative. Hard news refers to the news stories that have a significant impact on society and need to be reported urgently. For example, 4 Jaish militants killed in Kashmir. They are factual stories with data concerning events that are potentially available to analysis. The last one is soft news. Soft news, on the other hand, refer to the stories that provide other background information about world events, human interest stories, or entertainment news. Since these do not deal with serious subjects, they are termed as soft. It also includes analysis, backgrounders, features. In this type of news, the readers are provided with detailed information about the events. It is also often characterized as news that entertains or informs with emphasis on human interest and novelty. Soft news can also be features stories that focus on people, places or issues that affects the people's lives. Example, online classes are hit with students in lockdown. Although the newspaper's major thrust is hard news, the soft news is gaining the reader's attention, and the newspapers today attach equal importance to such type of news. So, the point is, the writing a column for a newspaper is entirely different from news reporting and is distinct for each type of offered column. Well-written news or column influences the attitude and opinion of the people and shape their views. Each type of column or news present information in a specific way. It requires a lot of practice and time to write a useful and defining news report or column. Here, I will discuss some points to keep in mind while writing a news story or a column. Stay tuned for part B.